a reverse diet is when we do a severe calorie cut. This is extreme. And I'm actually in a severe calorie deficit right now. I'm doing about 1,200 calories, and I've been doing that for the last 2 weeks. However, next week, I'm gonna add 100 calories. And then the following week, 100 calories. And then the following week, 100 calories. And so then over the course of like 2 months, I'm gonna build myself back up to be eating 1,800 calories, which according to an online calculator, calculator.net, is kind of like a rough estimate of how much calories I should be eating, 1,800, to maintain 120 pounds. Right now, I'm like 128. So, a reverse diet is a way that you can get the weight off of you a little quicker than a slow calorie deficit over time, but you have to plan it to where you're not going to have like a big social event, because like in that first 2 week really hard period, because then that's going to throw things off. This is about like, it's like a fast thing, but you have to be disciplined and you have to like really enjoy the food that you're eating and be strategic about what you're eating so that you're not hungry. Because if you're eating every 2.5 hours and you're eating a ratio, which I'll provide for you in the PDF, of fat, carbs, and protein, your blood sugar should be so stable that you should not be hungry and you should not have cravings. So good. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We got 15 on here. This is so fabulous. The oven is hot, but I want to put them both in at the same time. By the way, we are 23 minutes in. 23 minutes, 52 seconds.